Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name's Elizabeth Ann, and what am I doing with my hands? That's embarrassing. Look, I'm wearing my cute earrings today. Okay, I'm praying this doesn't die while I'm filming this, but it probably will. Also, it's like really hot in my house, and it's really hot in South Georgia. But I want to do a fun Q&A. At first it was going to be my other vlog, but it made my vlog like 40 minutes long, so I decided to switch it. The first question is the best vlogging camera. So if you're new to the whole vlogging universe and whatever, the main camera that most people use is the G7X Mark II or the Canon M50. I have the Canon M50. I just ordered the G7X Mark II. I had been saving up. I saved a bunch of my Christmas money, and I had been kind of waiting to order it. I thought I was gonna order it like a month ago or before all the Corona stuff started. I was gonna order it to take with me to Europe because I wanted a smaller camera to be able to take. I'll insert some footage of the Canon M50 so you can see kind of like how big it is. It shoots beautifully. You can get a million different lenses to go on here. It's a wonderful camera. I could not suggest it more. I just wanted one that I could kind of throw in my purse or throw in my pocket and just have more accessibility to it, because I can't really carry around this huge camera everywhere on campus with me because I'm too nervous I'm gonna like break it. And yeah, I also wanted to have a backup camera, so it was just the time, so I just bit the bullet and got it. Anyway, with that being said, I would say the M50 or the G7X, but for like 6 months, whenever I broke my camera, I just used my iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, you can even vlog on your iPhone. But yeah, the next question is the hardest part about being a YouTuber. Shout out to Emma, love your channel. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check her out. She's so cute. She has videos a lot like mine. If you like my videos, you'll definitely like her. She has super cute vlogs. The hardest part is definitely just people not understanding what actually goes into it, and that, like, you know, sometimes, like for instance, yesterday or a couple days ago, I posted a video that I thought was like super funny, and I had such a good time editing it, and it's like done worse than most of my videos have in the past, like, I don't know, a couple of months. So you just have to have a lot of patience. You definitely have to be doing it for yourself and not like other people, or like, I don't know if that makes sense. You definitely have to like have the passion for YouTube and want to do it, because if not, if you're like doing it for the money or the subscribers or whatever, it's not gonna, like, it's gonna take years and years for that to build. I've been doing it like a year and a half, and I have about 330 subscribers, but I just have fallen in love with like every aspect of like editing and filming and coming up with different ideas, and so I really love it. And that's about it. I would say like the time commitment, I don't get to film as much as I want to whenever I'm in Oklahoma, because I have school, I have roommates I have to like plan filming around, which luckily my roommates were so sweet this year and so supportive, and always like were trying to help me to film the best. And shout out to Tori and Lauren. I don't think they watch my videos, but they're so nice and they were so sweet, and Lauren would always like come up with ideas and be like, you should do this, and really just helped me throughout the year. Anyway, so yeah, I would say that's kind of the hardest part, just people not understanding and like the time commitment, which I am excited for this summer that I can work more and more on my YouTube videos, because I have the entire summer off. So yeah, okay. The next question is, how did your finals go? My finals went super well. I made all A's and B's. I was trying to think if I made all A's on my finals. I think I did. I think I made all A's in 189 or 88. So yeah, they went super well. I don't know how I made it out this semester alive, but I did, and I just really hope we don't have to do this in the fall, but if we do, it'll all work out. Sorry. Oh, what are your classes for the next semester? In the fall, I have accounting, certain product quality analysis, a marketing class, consumer behavior, and I have 2 other merchandising classes. I can't remember what they are. I know one's technology for merchandisers, and there's another one I just can't think what it is. I'll put it right here. I just can't remember what the other one is. I'm super excited. Accounting is actually the last class I'll ever have to take that's not DHM or marketing. So that's super exciting. And it's like, I mean, of course, like there will be harder merchandising classes, but it's like what I want to do for the rest of my life. So yeah, I'm just excited to be over with accounting if there hasn't even begun. The next question is, do you like Oklahoma / do you regret moving there and not staying in Georgia? I do love Oklahoma. It's so fun. I've always wanted to live in Oklahoma. I've always wanted to live in Oklahoma to be closer to my family. My dad's from Dallas, Texas. And so you see me doing a lot of like Dallas vlogs and going to Dallas for the weekend. And so I've never been this close to my family or my dad's side of the family in my life, like ever. And so it's super, super nice. And I love being able to go see my grandma like once a month. I love Oklahoma. I've always loved Oklahoma. I've gone to Oklahoma every summer starting in like 5th grade to visit my aunt and uncle and my friends. So I had a super big like extended family in about an hour away from me and friends, and I say family there because they're like my family. But yeah, so it's super, super nice to have them out there. And that kind of helped my move like go even more smoothly because I knew I always had my like second family and my friends that I could go to if I needed to like get out of like my dorm or if I just needed a break. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Ah! Okay, do not regret moving to Oklahoma at all. I think it's one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. And I would never be on the path I am now if I would not have moved there. I will be living in Oklahoma for 2 more years actually from like about right now. So yeah, I love Oklahoma and I would not change it. Am I going back to Oklahoma? Yes, I am. I am right now planning on going like mid-June, hopefully, knock on wood. I have to move out of my apartment. Also, my apartment's like crazy. I haven't gone back. I absolutely had no clue that I would be here more than like 2 or 3 weeks. I thought I would just be here maybe like, you know, 2, 3, maybe 4 at the max, but I've been here for 3 months. So, yeah, I have to go back and move out. And then I'll go back in August and move into my new apartment, which is super, super exciting. Guys, I'm back. Whew. Don't know how long I'll be here or be able to record because my parents are on the way home, but we're just gonna try to finish it up. Okay, so let's see. I'm trying to see what I've answered, what I haven't. I think I was on post-quarantine bucket list. Oh no, I was answering, do I like to travel? Yes, I love to travel. I love traveling so much. I love taking day trips. The thing like I miss most about living in Georgia is the fact that you can take a day trip to so many different cool places. Like I could go to Atlanta, I could go to somewhere to hike, I could go to a million different beaches for the day. Not a million, but like 3 or 4 different beaches for the day. I can go to, there's so many places you can go, and I love the beach and like love the warm weather. So it's a little hard being in Oklahoma to do the same kind of stuff, but there's definitely like a lot of cool stuff you can travel to in Oklahoma. But anyway, so I love traveling. I want to do a lot of traveling once I graduate college. So yeah. The next question is, where is your favorite place to shop? My favorite place to shop is definitely Nordstrom. I love Nordstrom. You can find just about anything. I also really love Target. They have a really, really good clothing department, and so I love Target. This is actually from Target, and I would say those are definitely my top 2. Of course, I love like working out, so like my favorite athletic clothes are like Gymshark and Lululemon. But yeah, and sorry guys. So for like accessories and stuff, I get a lot of my stuff from Amazon. Like all my jewelry I'm wearing right now is from Amazon, except for my bracelet and my watch band. Which, how cute is my watch band? It's like a Louis Vuitton like repurposed thing. I got it a couple years ago before they were like super in. But if you're looking for one, if you're from Georgia, they have them at the Indigo Child in Athens. They're super cute. Okay, anyway, yeah, I would say Nordstrom and Target are my go-tos. Like Weight Watchers or WW, whatever. I love it. I knew I would love it because I have been on it before in my life. I was on it the first time when I was super young, when I was first diagnosed with diabetes, but it didn't work out because at the time, they didn't take in, well, I don't think they still, do they take into account carbs? I don't think they do now, but it's a lot more manageable than it was back then. Back then, a lot of the stuff was super high in carbs, which is what like I have to count as a diabetic, so it didn't work out. But I then did it, I did it a couple more times. The biggest time I remember doing it is when I was a freshman in college. I did it to kind of like not gain the freshman 15, which worked for my freshman year, but then my sophomore year I like gained everything back. So personally, so far I've lost almost 15 pounds. Is that right? I think I have lost 15 pounds. I'm pretty sure I've lost 15 pounds. But I love it. I love the meetings are really helpful. You kind of have a community. I really love that. I love the app. It's super easy to track, and it's kind of like foolproof for real. And I just love it. I feel so much better than I did like a couple months ago. I started back in January. I'm gonna do a full video on it, but yeah, I started in January, and since then I've lost about 15 pounds. So yeah, I really like it. I feel so much better. It really helps with the proportion and like really keeping track of what you're eating on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, I really like it. And literally anyone can do it. I'm diabetic, a type 1 diabetic. And yeah. So, question is, what is your favorite who is your favorite Kardashian? My favorite Kardashian is definitely Scott Disick or Todd Cranes. I'm just kidding. Scott Disick is my husband, and the LOML, love of my life for you hip people. And yeah, I love Scott Disick. Out of the like Kardashian Jenners, I would say Khloe. I don't know. Kim and Khloe have always been my favorites. I've been watching it since I was like probably 11 or 12. I've literally been watching it forever. I don't know. I really like but yeah. But stay tuned for the wedding details of me and Scott Disick. I'm just kidding. But yeah. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, have a good day.